The REST APIs that we will be developing using Spring Boot or any other technology, it can be using the Flask or Fast API of Python or can be developed using Node.js with Express or Next.js or .NET or it's Spring Boot. If you use any technology to build REST APIs or RESTful web services, you need a way to test them. So Postman is a tool that helps you simulate the get, post, put, delete HTTP methods and call your APIs so that you can test them whether they are working as expected or not. So go to this website postman.com/downloads and click on the download of your Postman app, and then you can go ahead and start the normal installation process, and then you will be good to go and start testing your REST APIs with Postman. Thank you.